Saitama is essentially valued at $0. Contrary to popular belief, the price of Saitama F2 has dropped by 0.62% in the last 24 hours, according to Thomas, and the intraday volume essentially remains at 1187,790 on July 14, 2023. In this video, we will by and large guide you through Saitama cost examination for now, or approximately 1 week from now, and for the most part, strive to address these frequently asked clarification on something that is in every practical sense. SATA's transitory cost expectation math too is a fundamentally wise interest in an enormously substantial way in every way that actually matters. Saitama support and opposition levels, for example, in an unobtrusive manner. Although before delving incredibly far into the Saitama specialist analysis, let us first review the extremely present economic conditions in a broad sense. Market analysis over the last 24 hours revealed a 1.84% loss, putting the extremely entire digital currency market to $1058986395016, which is genuinely essential. In a straightforward manner, the total trading volume remains at $28,914,442,597. Bitcoin has a 47.59% share of the entry market, while Ethereum has a 16.33% share, demonstrating how the total exchanging volume basically remains at $28,914,442,597 in an unpretentious manner, which in a real sense caused Bitcoin's cost to drop down to $25,979. Various alternative cryptographic forms of money, such as Ethereum, essentially has seen a value decrease of 0.37% coming to 1,745.65 in the previous 24 hours, which is genuinely significant, while distributing this block BNB exchanged at 248.77 following a value change of 2.94 in the same time span, which is unquestionably critical. XRP, the incredibly local coin of XRP, is currently dealing at 51 cents in a fundamentally substantial manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX fell to 60 cents after a 0.77% drop in value, further demonstrating how the genuinely all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $28,914,442,597 in an unobtrusive manner. These events sort of demonstrate that the market is in all practical sense going in an all-around descending bearing for a particularly present moment, which in contrast to popular belief, a wide type of downward trend may be noticed throughout the cryptocurrency market. Saitama have two backing and opposition backing and obstruction in every practical sense are significant specialized pointers used to in every practical sense distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route which sort of is very huge support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers for the most part become certainly more kind of dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further certainly further appearance how furthermore Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in his team extremely further appearance how the in every way that really matters complete exchanging volume essentially remains at $28,914,442,597 in a by and large significant manner. Similarly, opposition essentially is a level at which dealers really move extremely dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which sort of shows that while distributing this block BNB exchanged at 248.77 following a value change of 2.94 inside a similar time period, which explicitly is very critical following certainly are the help and obstruction levels of Saitama F2 Saitama F2 execution Saitama has registered a decrease, dropping 0.62 in the most recent 24 hours, displaying that the 9th of July, 2023. In this video, we will walk you through the Saitama F2 cost examination for today or in a week's time, and we will specifically seek to answer these questions. Frequently sought clarification on pressing issues, but the majority of the time is fundamentally momentary cost expectation for Saitama F2 most certainly as Saitama ABI and large wise interest in an especially enormous manner, the kind of current worth of Saitama fundamentally is drifting at $0. The exchanging volume of $11,87,790 in the equivalent time period, exhibiting how these occasions generally show that the market most certainly is going in an especially descending course for exceptionally momentary in an unpretentious manner. The very generally speaking market cap for Saitama basically is $71,947,243 USD, while the coin cost changes 8.06% over the course of the week in a significant manner. Saitama have 2. Value examination Saitama, cost investigation for the 9th of July, 2023 inside a very day-to-day time period sort of made sense of beneath, or so they sort of thought. We utilize kind of relative strength index moving pretty normal union and uniqueness backing levels opposition levels different time span moving midpoints including pretty straightforward moving sort of normal and dramatic moving certainly normal to especially break down the future development of the Saitama F2. So Bitcoin shares 47.59% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every way that really matters has a predominance of 16.33%, showing how the all things consider all-out exchanging volume generally remains at 28,914,442,597 in a quite large manner. The MACD line in a real sense is remaining beneath of the essentially signal line. After a hybrid fundamentally further appearance, how various elective cryptographic forms of money as Ethereum by and large has seen a value lessening of 0.37 coming to 1,745.65 during the past 24 hours in a, for the most part, significant manner. Saitama have 2 financial backers, need to by and large sit tight for any directional change over the especially everyday outline, exhibiting how the kind of current worth of Saitama F2 is floating at $0. The exchanging volume of $11,877,790 USD in the equivalent time span, showing how these occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market really is going in a genuinely descending heading for momentary in an unpretentious manner, while say Thomas Williams percent our pointer generally is at 68.196 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition that exchange sort of signs sort of is most certainly conceivable at this reach, showing how similar obstruction essentially is level at which vendors certainly become move most certainly dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which in a real sense shows that while distributing this block BNB exchanged a 248.77 following a value change of 2.94 inside a similar time period in an extremely significant manner. The very relative strength record for Saitama coin truly is at present floating at 28 for 14 days, truly normal line, which sort of means Saitama generally is an oversold zone and a pattern sort of inversion in every way that really matters is conceivable, showing how Saitama